Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into the video. This video is me revealing my Patreon Day Trading Fearless trading portfolio. You guys know I'm always kind of promoting this on my videos. So I just kind of want to go over it with you guys so you all could take a peek inside and see what's going on with it, how it works, and things like that. So first off, I started this back on November 1st of 2020. Okay, so it's almost been a year. It's about 10.5 months or so that I've had this portfolio. What I did was I started with a 50,000 in this portfolio. That is kind of how much cash I have allocated to it. So the reason you don't see any huge positions, anything like that, is because the market's just been going up and up, and I always want to have cash on hand. Remember, it's a portfolio, so when the market falls, I want to be able to have cash. Also, I sell a lot of puts and things like that in this. So there's 3 parts to this portfolio, and just so you guys know, there's a link down below. It's only $8 a month, so if you want to sign up, just use the link right down below in the description, or go to patreon.com/daytradingfearless, and then that will take you to where you could sign up. So the first part of the portfolio is my regular stock portfolio. This is swing and long-term trade ideas, right? Where I've held them for maybe a few months, couple weeks to a couple years potentially, right? So you could see we bought Apple for $145.85 back on November 2nd. Bought 10 shares. Cost basis was $108, which is a market value of $14.50. So far we're up $376, right? Dropbox, we're up $250. Kellogg, we bought back a year ago, 5 shares, really hasn't gone anywhere. We're pretty much a break even as I'm doing this video. Lucid, we bought this at 3.8, but I'm also going to show you, we just bought this a couple weeks ago at around 15.50, and I sold this yesterday on my portfolio right here. Winning trade, selling 25 shares of Lucid for a profit of $247. We sold it $24.40, but if we scroll down, and everything is very transparent here, new stock trader, adding to my current LC Lucid position, buying 25 shares at $15.50. So those 25 shares I sold and took a profit there, right? So you could see all these, everything's transparent, everything is posted, timestamp. So if you want to go through, you could look at all of the trades that I've done within the past year on this, right? So yes, some are down, right? Viacom, they haven't gone anywhere, right? Really no big losers here. So there are certain things, IMAX, right? We're down $23. Remember, these are positions where I'm holding longer term, but right down here it tells us our totals, right? Total shares, our market value, right? If they're open or closed. But this number right here is what I've closed out throughout the year, right? So a couple days ago, it was a, 2,500 total profits, but with that Lucid that we just did, where we closed and made $247, we added that to the total. So this number is closed positions. So far we're up 2,753. Now, as we come down, we see our dividend long-term portfolio. Okay, these are more of dividend trades where I'm looking to collect the dividend, and they are longer-term trades. GAB, right? Current price is $6.68. Bought that back on November 2nd of 2020. We bought 50 shares at a cost basis of $5.38. $334, market value, right? $65 gain. But with that being said, we've been collecting an 11% dividend that pays 15 cents per share quarterly, right? So we're almost now a whole year into it. So let's say we've been paid out 3 times, right? 15 times 50s, what is it? 15 bucks, 30. So we made $45 in addition to the 65, right? Same with LUMN, bought this at 12.55 and so on, right? That's the current price. Our cost basis was 10.04. We're up $100, but we've been collecting a 9.62 dividend. Remember, this dividend is as of when we purchased the stock. Now, the one that's kind of beating us up is ExxonMobil, where we bought 64, but it's collecting a 5% dividend while we wait, which is at 87 cents per share, right? So every 10 shares or however much, right? If we own 20 shares, we're $16 every quarter worth of profits. So that's what's going on down here. This is our total P&L for all of our closed trades. And what this is I've actually closed out some of them I don't like, or sometimes they'll make good moves. I'll just take profits right there. But so far we've locked in $55 worth of profits throughout the whole year on that. Usually not a ton, if anything, just buying in good dividend trading stocks usually there. And then third, is our option call put portfolio. Now, I'm going to tell you most of this portfolio is just on the put side, where I'm looking to sell puts and collect premium every single month. What I try and do is have at least 3 trades every month, okay, where I'm collecting. So a couple of weeks ago, or last week, we had about $60 worth of premium that all expired worthless, that we kept the whole premium. So here's a couple examples. Coca-Cola. This is on Friday of last week. Usually I'll put brand new positions. I try and be very mechanical and put new positions on at the start of every option expiration. So the 3rd Friday of every month, what I'll do is I will actually put on the new positions right there. And then if I see anything during the month, or if the market starts to really have a deep pullback, which we really haven't had, I'm really not doing anything, right? I don't want to get too big. So Coca-Cola, current stock price is $54. We opened this on 9/17/21. Expiration is October 15th of 2021. Usually try and go 30 days out. Price of entry was at 55, so we're down $1, right? But we sold the strike, the 47.50. Well, that means this stock could drop about $7 before we even get put. Now, we collected 10 cents on this trade. Now, again, this is a small portfolio, so I'm doing 1 contract of each one, okay? Because remember, you have to be careful when you're doing puts, not to get too big, because if we do have that one big market pullback, your margin requirements go up, things like that. So Apple was a 147. It's 145 now. We sold the 110s for 14 cents. Okay, yeah, I'll buy Apple. I'll buy 100 shares of Apple at 110 all day long within the next 30 days when we're at 145. Right, that's about a 30% pullback. And then the SPY, SPY was at, where were we? 443 when I did this. Okay. I sold the 350 strike price for 34 cents, right? So essentially, as long as we stay above all these prices, we'll collect that whole $58. So far throughout this entire year, we've made $872 of profit. Again, everything is documented in here. And with that being said, you could go through it. I have not had, knock on wood, okay, a losing trade selling puts since I've started this portfolio, because I'm trying to find good quality options to sell. I'm picking up nickels and dimes, right? Picked up 10 cents, 14 cents, 34, right? Or with options, $10, $14.34 equals $58. Well, you could see those nickels and dimes add up to dollar bills on the long haul, right? So with that being said, so far we've made 27 plus, we'll call that 2,800 plus another 28, 3,600. We'll say we're up maybe $50 there. On that, we're up another 500 here, $700. We're about $4,300, $4,400. It's not a bad return. That's about 10% return on this portfolio. And I've been very conservative with this. So I only want to put good trades on because I know people are following me with this. So, but like I said, it's $8 a month to join. Hopefully you guys will sign up if you want kind of trade ideas. Everything will get emailed to you in real time when I'm putting the trades on via the Patreon. Again, so just go to patreon.com/trading or day trading fearless, and you can follow along with all these trades. But as always, thank you for watching my channel, and if you guys have any questions, anything like that, leave them down below in the comment section. But until then, until next time, we'll talk to you soon.